Hi, I'm Stephen Power. I'm a photographer and teacher based on Valentia in County Kerry, Ireland. Welcome to my series of teaching videos. This one is about the skills and techniques needed to make your photography really great. Photography is both an art and a craft. It's not just a question of pointing your camera in the right direction, following your instinct and hoping for the best. There are rules and guidelines that need to be understood and then applied to your camera in order for you to make truly inspired and eye-grabbing images. These rules and guidelines are both creative and technical. Once you've understood them, you can then bend them, if you wish, to create your own style, or follow them rigidly. Either way, it's better than just pointing the camera and hoping for the best. This slide shows some of the technical aspects that I believe are important to grasp and apply in order for you to get the most out of your camera. Set apertures, shutter speeds and ISO correctly, decide between auto and manual focus and choose the right white balance. It might seem strange to suggest that there are rules for the creative aspects of photography, but these guidelines go back many hundreds of years to the great masters who used them in their paintings. On this slide you can see a few of those which I believe are crucial to getting the most out of your images. They include controlling the depth of field, finding the right light, anticipating the action, and having a good post-processing workflow. As an example of how I have combined both the technical and the creative rules of photography, this slide shows how the depth of field has been changed in the same scene to create an image that shows a blurred background and also one that shows a sharp background where all the items on the table can be seen. Digital photography often means becoming familiar with some of the editing software that is available to you, such as Photoshop or Lightroom. This can be used to sort and process your images in a very basic way, or it can be used in a more advanced way to produce unusual and eye-catching photographs. I hope you enjoyed this short overview of some of the ingredients needed for great photography. Please press the subscribe button to keep up to date with more videos, and feel free to let me know in the comments below if there is anything you would like me to make a tutorial video about.